Milt of MF Metal Arts here. I've teamed up with Danaca Design of Seattle to offer you my online Introduction to Filigree Jewellery workshop. It runs for 2.5 days, starting Friday evening, December 10th, to Sunday, December 12th. During this live interactive workshop, I will teach you all of the required skills to make a traditional teardrop open back filigree pendant. You will then be able to use these learnings to design your own filigree pendants. The pendant can be made with these basic tools, and you will not require a rolling mill as we have pre-rolled all the materials and included them in your material kit. You will learn how to make filigree wire, how to make your own traditional powdered solder and apply it properly, and you will master soldering fine filigree wires with paste solder. The workshop will be live on Zoom, allowing me to watch you work and give you feedback in real time. So please come and join me for my filigree workshop hosted by Danaca Design.